Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure maps can access your location. This lets the app center on you and calculate routes. Once done, type the address or select a saved place from your list, then choose your travel mode: driving, transit, walking, or biking, because each mode changes route options and ETA. Tap directions to generate routes and review the primary route shown. Also glance at alternate routes and travel time estimates, so you can pick the fastest or the easiest path before you depart. Once you have routes, customize them. Open options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries, because preferences change travel time and cost. Add stops by tapping Add Stop, which sequences waypoints and recalculates ETA. On desktop, you can drag the route to force a detour. Make sure to check step-by-step directions and lane guidance for complex interchanges. These cues reduce last-minute lane changes. Finally, hit Start to launch turn-by-turn navigation and keep the app active so recalculations happen automatically if traffic. As you near the destination, watch the map and verbal cues. When you arrive, confirm the place and tap End to stop navigation. If the map loses your position, toggle location or restart the app to restore GPS fixes, and make sure Battery Saver isn't disabling high-accuracy location. If Maps routes you incorrectly, pick an alternate route from the list or re-enter the destination to force a fresh calculation. One key tip: temporarily pull over before making major app changes to stay safe and accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.